Hey fourth graders, I'm going to show you a step-by-step how to add images to your Google Doc. What really makes your stories come to life is adding images. What's important when we add images is that we read our scene. We have to make sure that the images that we're adding in our scene make sense and that they correlate with what we are saying. So over here, in my first paragraph, I'm going to stop and I'm going to read what it's about. In my first scene, my character is running home from school. She's really excited and she's showing her mom the permission slip for her field trip. So what I'm going to do is find an image that corresponds with my story. So up here, I have all these things to click on. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Insert. The first word you see is Image. I'm going to click on Image and I'm going to go to Search the Web. Okay, over here you'll see that the search bar comes up and I could search for images. I could search for someone running. Right, and here's images of people running. I could search other images. Maybe I can add in a girl running. So I could even, maybe I'll pick this one here. I'm going to click on this and I'm going to click on Insert at the bottom over here. Okay, so now I have this huge image. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make it smaller, right? And I'm going to choose where I want it in my story. And I know that it's for scene 1 over here. There we go. As you can see, it does not look well over here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the image, and when this comes up, I'm going to click on this button right here where it says wrap the text. I could choose to put my image all the way over here to the right. I could even choose to put it all the way over here to the left, right? If I want to start it with scene 1, I can move it down here so it wraps around the text. I really like it over here. I think it's better. I just like how it flows better, okay? This image corresponds with what my story is about. I'm going to do the same exact thing for scenes 2, 3, and 4, and if you have more scenes, you could do the same. So when you scroll down, what you're going to do is you're going to read your scene and make sure the image that you're adding makes sense. Again, the directions are to add images to our story. We go to Insert at the top here on the toolbar, Image, and you're going to press Search the Web, and that's where your search engine will come up over here. Make sure that you clear it out when you do another search.